All right, here we go. It's time for a room tour. Before I go over to the room, though, I wanted to point out this is part of the reason we requested this set of buildings. It's because it's right across from one of the smaller pools. Why do we like the smaller pools? Because you can go and you can drink in the pool. It's kind of nice. You can't do that at the main Disney pools. You can drink at them, but you can't drink in them. We will be spending time at the main pool, but I think we'll be spending more time over here, including shortly after I'm done with this tour. So you just kind of come up the stairs, and we are in room 5425, building 54. Let's go check it out. Okay, first things first, the AC is blasting down at 68, which I love. We literally just got here. I'm pretty sure these are newly refurbished because these floors look brand new. When you walk in, there is a closet immediately on your left with a vacuum and probably some sort of wet mop that I won't be using on this trip. Thank you very much. I like how they have a little touchdown station when you walk in with the mirror. You can throw your keys, your wallet, whatever you have, your camera. And then see how you're looking on the way out. It looks like this room obviously connects to the room next door, so if you wanted to combine it with, I believe next door is a 2-bedroom, and have some sort of mega 3-bedroom, you can. All I can say is, wow, we have stayed in the 1-bedroom at the Riviera and the 1-bedroom at the Boardwalk, and I think this might be the coziest one we've stayed in. I definitely prefer it to the Boardwalk. The Riviera might have an edge on it just because of how luxurious that one felt, but this is super cozy. I love it. Cozy. Cozy is the only word I have for it. I love the rug. I love the furniture. It looks comfortable. I like look at the lamp. It's like a lifeguard chair. They've got a Hey Disney machine over here. One of the things I really like about the old Key West rooms is this setup with the island here, and the TV is built into the island. So you bet your butt I'll be watching. I kind of feel like this place demands a Pirates of the Caribbean watch. So whatever we watch, I'm looking forward to it on that TV. A nice big kitchen table. I really like the overhead light. It's kind of reminiscent of like a ship's bell. In fact, it says something on there. Oh, it says Conch Flats, which I believe is the name of something at the main building here at Old Key West. Nice stainless fridge. It does have an ice maker. We've got that cranking right now. Look, we're not here to cook, but if you wanted to, if you were so inclined, microwave, full stove, dishwasher. I'm not going to open the cupboards. They obviously have everything you would need, but let's go out. And I usually have to apologize. I usually start with the money shots, the balconies, the views. So let's get out here and see what we got. The size of this is the first thing that stands out. This is a huge patio. Look at this. There's a full table of 4 out here. And you could probably fit a table for 8. There's a ton of space. There's another door that goes into the main bedroom. And we have a nice golf course view. We are not that far away from a main road, so you do hear some traffic. But the golf course view and the fact that we're next to the pool is going to go ahead and offset the negativity of that traffic. So I can handle that. Really like the landscaping around the building. Yeah, this will work. I'm going to be spending some time out here. The other nice touch about the patio is it has a ceiling fan. And there's beautiful wife. Hello.
Let's take a quick break.
Let's do it. All right, we now resume this broadcast. I just want to point out I have since turned on the fan. Beautiful wife had a reservation update on our food tonight because we're not sure if we're doing Olivia's dine-in or we're getting Olivia's to go. We'll figure that out later. Anyways, back to the tour. I did this room. I just wanted to point out there is an awesome wet bar right here, which I love. I think that really fits the theme. We'll be making use of that and making a lot of cocktails, as you probably know. The ice machine is cranking out ice, so I'm thrilled about that. But let's move on to the rest. Oh, by the way, the other thing I would say is the couch folds out into a bed, so you can at least sleep at least 2 more people. So if you come over here, there's another, considerable hallway that leads into the master bedroom. Before we do that, let's go ahead and start with the utility area. So there's a hallway here that leads into the laundry room effectively. And I liked how these are full-sized washer and dryer. It's not the stackables you get in a lot of DVC units. Ironing board, not going to be making use of that. Another door here, and you go into the first of the bathroom areas. toilet. There's a nice walk-in shower. It's got kind of a rain head setup and a handheld there against the wall. Nice and spacious. I will talk about the water pressure in our main review of the room, so go watch that video where I talk about that. One vanity area here, and then there's a door here which I like, so one person can be taking a shower and have some privacy. And then in here is the rest of the bathroom, another vanity area with a much bigger window. Huge jetted tub. This is money. I love this. We'll be using this later on. And then kind of a pass-through window into the master bedroom. This is nice. That's a treat. I didn't realize this. These rooms came with that. We started moving in already. Master bedroom closet, extra pillows, extra blankets, everything you'd expect. There is a safe in here. And then moving into the master bedroom, it's got this nice carpet. Again, I'm pretty sure these are very newly renovated. Just love it. Very tasteful, very cozy. This feels, I love the headboard on this. This feels very Key West to me. I love the kind of the teal curtains. There again, McDonald family. I've noticed a lot of USB power outlets. There's 4 just on this piece of equipment alone. Not to mention a bunch in the kitchen. Lots of lamps. I will add one caveat, and there's another door to the balcony. Let's flip this around. Hello, everybody. I just wanted to say that one of the issues with this room that you should be aware of, we are on the 2nd floor. There are 3 floors total. There are no elevators here. There are some buildings with elevators, so if that's something you need, make sure you mention that to the front desk so they can accommodate you. And again, we requested this. We also requested an early check-in. The room was ready by about 11 o'clock. That's not true. It was about noon, so pretty good. Much earlier than the 4 o'clock that they usually give you. I think that's about it. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Have fun storming the castle, and above all else, stay magical.